Yeah, I had one guy snuck one in, but oh well.
Do you feel like the starting spot is there for the taking right now?
Yeah. I mean, I know it's an open position, and I'm looking at it as it's mine to lose. I'm going out there and trying to prove every day that I want it, and I'm the guy to take that last spot. So that's how I'm approaching it.
Cardi talked about the 2 starts you had against the Rangers, I guess, last year, and they were really good, and they've stuck in his mind. How much do you draw from that against a lineup like that?
I mean, as far as I'm concerned, these guys, when they've got all their big dogs in there, their lineup's not too much different, and I draw a lot from that because, first time I pitched against them, they were definitely one of the hottest teams in baseball, and if you can go in and shut down one of the hottest teams for 7 innings, you must be doing something all right, and so that's always a good one to look back on, is those nice positive ones like that.